हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू वर्षा कोचिंग क्लासेस। आज हम सीखेंगे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच वर्ब्स। ए वर्ब इज ए वर्ड which denotes an action, possession, relation or a state of being. Example: laugh, eat, go, run, play, etc. Types of verbs. Verbs are classified into following types. First, lexical verb. Second, auxiliary verb. Now we see first verb, lexical verbs. These are main verb in the sentence. They have their independent meaning, like go, eat, laughing, eaten, gone, etc. Auxiliary verbs. There is no specific meaning of these words. They are used to complete sentence. Their meaning is changed based on uses in sentence, like am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, should, can, might, must, etc. These are auxiliary verbs. Now we see forms of lexical verbs. First form, or we call base form: eat, go, laugh, etc. This is first form or base form. Second form or past form is eat converted to ate, go converted to went in the past form, laugh converted to laughed in the second form. Now third form or past participle form: eat, second form ate, and third form is eaten. Go converted to gone in third form, laugh converted to laughed. Ing form: eating, going, laughing, etc. This is ing form. S or es form: eats, goes, laughs, etc. So if any consonant is there on the last character of the verb, then we will add s. If vowel is there on the last character of the verb, then we will add es. Okay. Now types of verbs based on their uses. Now we will see uses of verbs: main verb, and second is helping verb. So main verb is the verbs used alone or together with helping verbs are called main verbs, like am. I am a boy. Here am is the main verb. I am reading. So if you see here, am is also there, but this is not main verb. Reading is the main verb. I love her. Love is the main verb. He will do it. Do is the main verb. Helping verb is second is helping verb. Helping verb is one which helps the main verb to form a tense, voice, mood, or complete that sentence. I am reading. So reading is also verb and am is also verb. Am is helping verb. Reading is a main verb. My brother has come. So has is a helping verb and come is a main verb. He will go. Will is a helping verb, go is the main verb. You should do this. Should is a main verb. Helping verb. Do is the main verb. Now we see types of main verb: transitive verb, intransitive verb. Transitive verbs, the verb used with an object is called transitive verb. Ram eats rice. Eats is the transitive verb. He has helped my brother is a transitive verb. I know this is a transitive verb. I like this beautiful flower, transitive verb. I love you, this is also transitive verb. In transitive verb, the verb used without an object is called an intransitive verb. Like I eat, but there is no object what I eat. Okay, I sleep, there is no object where I sleep. I go to school, go is the intransitive verb. Ram walks in the field, walks is the intransitive verb. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.